we? Well, we just got up to the top here of this big scree field, and this is where I was parked. These great shots right on the cliff, amazing spot, but it really started thundering, pouring lightning. You can see what we're looking at right now. So there's another spot over here with a little bit of tree coverage, and I moved over there, and it's a little bit further from the cliff. So I think that's going to be a better option, and haven't eaten yet. So pancakes, Kodiak. Fracture scree field. You can see all the rocks are broken off, and then the big huge scree all the way down to the bottom down there. Hey buddy. He's right there. Hi there. How are you? Huh? You come to say hello? There he goes into the tree. This is a pretty epic location, as you can see. It's going to be interesting to see what the weather does up here. There are a lot of switchbacks coming back down. So, oh man, you can now really see the snow cap on that peak up here behind me. Look at that. Just coming through the clouds. There was no snow up there. That just happened over this storm that just came in. Wow. So cool. So cool. Thought I would show you guys what this place looks like now with just a touch of clouds. Amazing the difference when it's full of clouds and then just this epic view. It's beautiful out here. Well, thanks, Kelty. Woo! Okay, nice. Okay, that was not gonna cut. Wow. What I found with these small stoves, when you get this harder wood, it's really hard to keep enough fire to keep that hard wood burning. So what I found, if you find this real light stuff, you can throw this in there periodically, and what it'll do is it will ignite the flame and keep the flame hotter, which will burn this stuff. And this stuff still has to be cut. It will not burn like this. This is solid, thick wood. Oak, I think. Pine. Oak. So you have to split it to get it to burn. It's kind of a pain, but it's nice to have when if there's no other alternative. The best thing is compressed sawdust that you can buy. I keep one of those for emergency purposes all the time, but I'm probably going to start carrying a couple more of those. They will just continue to burn, and then you throw one of these in there in a big log, and everything burns really nicely. So, yeah, you make do with what you can. don't know that I'm going to end up burning all this. Too big. But anyway, just information on the efficiency of these little wood stoves. And mine is the Grizzly, not the Mini. And I had it last night going. Another thing about the stoves, it's hard to do. So I had it going last night. It was probably where I was sleeping. It had to be 90 degrees. It was actually uncomfortable. I completely slept open. Had my window up at my head open so I could feel the cool breeze. It was just really hot. Problem is, once that gets done and it turns off, I want my diesel heater to turn on. Well, I came up here with a little less diesel than I should have. So I only have half a gallon left, so I'm trying to make sure that I have plenty of wood in case it does really come in storm, because it has been pretty unpredictable up here. And I've been using the diesel heater with the wood stove. It's been a good combination, but without the diesel heater, it's all wood stove. So it's been a little harder to regulate the temperature. This should be plenty. Like I said, this is just to keep it so I can burn this stuff. So I have it seen. Yeah, anyway, little tidbits on using one of these wood stoves. And it has been, I've had hail, I've had sleet, I've had a snowstorm come through. They're very quick, they blow through. They don't last too long, but they're bitter cold. Even the wind right now is fairly cold. It's probably about 40 degrees outside. I think it's 55 inside with the wood stove going and the doors and the windows open. So pretty comfortable. Yeah.
With that, guys, we are going to get the fire going, get the grill going, and say goodnight to this epic location at Bolam Pass, elevation 11,400 feet. We're at the very top. Next week, we are going to meet some incredibly cool people with some incredibly cool rigs that just happen to come up here to check out the view. See you next week.